How to auto record calls on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can auto record your calls on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to auto record your calls on Android, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the dialer application. Now currently I'm using a Samsung device, so the options may or may not be available in yours. What you need to do is just tap the three dots option from the top right and then go to settings, and right here you can see record calls option as for Samsung users, and here you'll find the option called auto record calls. So if you want to auto record each and every call, you can just turn on this toggle, and if you want to find these recorded calls, you can tap the recorded calls option in order to find all of the calls that you have recorded on your phone. This way you'll be able to auto record calls on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.